Hello everyone! I'm Cristel Rivera from Grade 7 Dahlia. In this video, I'll be singing the Philippine National Anthem for my practical exam and performance task in MAPE. Ilagay po natin ang ating kanang kamay sa dibdib at sabay-sabay natin awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng utawat mo'y tagumpay na nangning-ning-ning, ang bituin at araw niya kalan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng luwan, hatid pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mang-aapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Our Philippine National Anthem, also known as Lupang Hinirang, means chosen land. It was composed by Julian Felipe in 1898 during the fight for our country's freedom. Originally, it was called the Marcha Filipina Magdalo, later changed to Marcha Nacional Filipina, also known as Himno Nacional Filipino. It represents our nation's journey toward independence and unity. Additionally, the lyrics show a sense of nationalism by expressing love and loyalty to the Philippines. It also reminds us of the sacrifices of our heroes, and it inspires us all to protect our freedom. Singing the national anthem reminds us of our shared history and the struggles our ancestors went through for our independence. Overall, it helps us feel proud of being a Filipino and united as a nation, no matter where we are.